My name is Greg Davidson, and I am the Co-op Career and Employment Relations Consultant for the Carpentry and Renovation program and the Motive Power program with Niagara College. I work with the students who are going out on co-op for the carpentry programs and for the Motive Power programs, and assist them with sort of the pre-co-op stuff, so resume writing, job search, that kind of stuff. I walk them through the process of what happens in co-op. I then monitor them while they're on co-op to make sure that everything's okay, that there's no issues or any problems. The co-op experience allows them to gain hands-on, real-world experience.
Hi, I'm Jia Lee. I'm a recent graduate of the Carpentry and Renovation program, and now I'm a cabinet maker for Oak Ridge Cabinets. Work with real people, real worker, and that made me to see myself as a real worker too. Because in school, most of the time you're like, oh, I'm a student. Like, I make mistakes. In real work, like, you have to be responsible, right? So here I learn responsibility, how to manage my schedule, how to improve my skills.
I think it's really important for us as a business in our community to give back. So there's an opportunity for us to provide training that otherwise might not be available to some of the students at Niagara College. It's a great way for us to elevate the trades in our area and give people a taste of what it might look like to hop into the trades. The students have been a real benefit to us. They help keep us sharp. We learn a ton from them once they come in and participate in what we're doing. And we find it super helpful often to hire some of the students after they're done their co-op program.
It's very helpful for them because once they've graduated, then they can say, yes, I've actually got work experience. So it helps them with their resume, helps them move forward. But also I think it just helps solidify some of the more academic end of things where students may not be doing a course and go, I really don't understand why I have to do this. And then you get a co-op and you kind of see the light bulb go off where their head, they go, right, this is why I had to do this in class. This makes sense now.
Like, doing co-op is huge because when you study in school and class, feels like you're learning everything, but you don't. Like, you just take a bit of it, right? But if you do co-op, you can see things that you thought you will like, but you don't, or things that you didn't think that you will be like really enjoying it, but sometimes you do. So it's a real eye-opener.
Jia has been just such a great add to our team. She's traveled through a few of the different areas in production. She's been really keen to learn and to grow in her skill set, which has meant she's had opportunity not only in our finishing department, but also in our cabinetry construction department. She's currently there and once again learning really quick, which hopefully is going to set her up for a great career in the future.